Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Isdone.dll error Fitgirl Repack. Let's fix it guys. You just need to check my video description for these two download links. Select it and first one is download Isdone.dll. Select the download option. Scroll down, select the latest version and select the download option. Select start download, and after the download done, the second link open up it and then scroll down and select the download option. Select the first one and select the select option and select start download. After the download done, select this folder icon. You just need to extract both files guys. Just right click and select extract all and select extract. Now drag and drop this DLL to desktop, and same thing for isdone.dll. Extract, drag and drop to desktop, and then go to this PC, copy both the DLL files and go to local disk C, double click on Windows folder, find the system32 folder, double click on it and paste the files in here. Select checkmark and select continue, and then go back and find SYS wow 64. Just double click on it and paste the files in here and select continue, and then just to close it off here and check my video description for this Visual C++ runtime all-in-one. Select the link and select the download option. Select any one of these server guys, select it and it will start downloading. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select extract all and select extract. After the extract done, double click on this install all batch file, and this will run all the Visual C++ guys. All you have to do is select the yes option every time it asks. And now every Visual C++ has been installed guys. Just close stuff here and go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select system and security, select system. This page will open up. Select advanced system settings and under performance select settings. Go to advanced tab under virtual memory, select change. Uncheck this automatically manage paging file size for all drives, and then in this drive list select the C drive and select a custom size, and in here as you can see in about installed RAM is 4 GB. Check my video description for this installer size and maximum size values. Copy the value depends on your RAM guys. I have 4 GB RAM, so I'm copying this value and just paste in here in installer size, and same thing for maximum size, copy the value depends on your RAM. And after pasting these two values, select the set option, and as you can see the paging file size under the values are setted, and select the OK option and select OK. Select apply and OK, select OK, and now select the restart now option and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you just need to check my video description for this YouTube link. Just select the link and you can able to see a video. You just need to follow the steps shown in this video when installing the game guys, and that's all you have to do it guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.